Mevo Cloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Run the following command to install necessary packages for HTTPS, transport certificates, curl and GPG, which are required to secure at external repositories. Next, use the following command to download the ClickHouse GPG key and store it in the system keyring. Ensure package. Then, by using the following command, detect your system architecture and save it in a variable to configure the ClickHouse repository correctly. After that, run the next command to add the ClickHouse repository to your system, making sure it is signed by the previously added GPG key. Now update the package list so the system recognizes the new repository. Use the following command to install the ClickHouse server and client packages. Once installed, run the next command to start the ClickHouse server. Now, use the following command to enable ClickHouse to start automatically on system boot. And verify that server is running correctly by running the next command. Finally, you need to connect to the ClickHouse client using the password option. That's it! Now you have ClickHouse installed on your server. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.